हेलो यूट्यूब फैमिली। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश बोलने में क्या हो रहा है। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। आई एम सो ग्रेट। देन टुडे आई लाइक टू शेयर अबाउट यू हाउ टू रीडिंग skills to start. Okay, if you don't know about English, then start your English reading first of all. Then you are not to read English, then how to improve your English. Okay, then let's say we are a small paragraph we will read, and will can understand all. Okay, go.
Then we read to this topic in chapter the little girl. Okay. Then first topic is the to the little girl he was a figure to be feared and avoid every morning before going to work. He came into her room and gave her a casual kiss. To which she responds with goodbye, father. And oh, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter down the long road. In the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my paper's out there and bring me my slippers.
Then today is now I'm read in one topic also. Then next day in our next topic I will read. Then first of all, if you are don't to uh, read speak English, then first of all you will try to read English, then you are the try to speak in English. Okay, then guys, continue watch my video. I hope ki you like my video and comment the video. If you are not up किसी भी तरह का गलती and you have any found any mistake, find any mistakes, then you will please comment on my book is sorry, comment in my video and continue watch my video and subscribe my channel इंग्लिश बोलने में क्या हो रहा है. Then I meet you next video.